Alright, vid 2, we are still in Houston. I'm still here with my buddy Ears. I'll leave his car channel in the description. We are going out to a late night car meet in his GT350. Alright, so we're headed to the meet spot right now. We are in the GT350. He finally got this car back. He had some trouble. A shop actually ended up screwing him over. But luckily he got it back. And we're headed to this meet right now, and then afterwards, I think we're gonna hit some hard pulls on the way back. And then this is actually my last day in Houston. I head back tomorrow morning, and I think I'm gonna POV on the way home from the airport out of Cleveland. They got some nice 3-lane, so we'll probably POV for a little bit on the way home.
2 miles, take exit 7.
But I'll pick up once we get a little closer to the meet spot. We're only about 5 minutes away.
Yeah. I don't think.
Oh, popped his ass. Oh, did he pop the Supra? No. The Supra's right there. Supra's right there.
He got somebody.
Yeah, he popped his ass.
Dang, bro. I mean, that fool.
You've entered the car park for your destination.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, that yellow is clean, bro.
It is. You hear like my brakes are squeaking. My car is too dirty to be parked up. I'm parking my car in the back. Whew, my brakes always start to squeak if this car sits for like a week. Especially if it gets wet and it starts to squeak as soon as I pull up. Yeah, this tight bar is actually hard. This tight bar is hard too. This tight bar is good, man. Let me not embarrass myself just all out, but to be honest.
Damn, brother, you mad? I tried to see all this shit in the back. The Supra.
That type bar is hard. I don't know.
Huh? Nah, bro. That's that truck, bro. That's that truck. Yo, that light's kind of sick, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, that is tough.
That thing is hard, bro. Yeah, that thing hard.
That does look sick, I ain't gonna lie. I like the light display. This is actually yeah.
But he got a clean engine, man.
You brought that truck.
little,
white, yeah.
Yeah, I like those. So you got a gap cam.
Alright, y'all, we're about to head out. This spot kind of turned into a takeover, unfortunately. That's what happens at these night meets. That's why I don't really be going to it, because, you know, people start just acting up and, you know, doing dumb shit. Which is annoying, but, you know, it is what it is. You really can't stop everybody from, you know, doing what they're gonna do, so it is what it is. We about to head out of here right now.
Bro, I wish I would have caught that foolery.
Yeah, there's a guy literally that was like shooting gas. Like,
Gasoline out the exhaust.
Yeah, gasoline,
like literal gasoline.
Straight gasoline out the car. Nuts, bro. I don't know what this. We're about to head out of here. Seems good. Damn, I think we should do. I kind of want to switch to the other GoPro angle.
And what? Alright, we just ran into a Lambo with a gap cam. But he better get gapped. Let's just hope he hits the highway.
That's what I'm saying.
Ear's going viral.
That Lambo actually sounds nasty, though, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
This shit is, this place is limitless. Yeah, bro, it looks tough. He looked at me, he's like, oh shit! You should have saw that dude's face. Which way is he going? I really want to follow him, dude. I really do. Watch me hit like a dead end. This
Yeah.
guy thinks we're following him too.
Well,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, he's going home.
Yeah, this guy is going home, bro. That's gonna be bad. Well, hey, we're not gonna. Let's not be weird about it. But if he like pulls into like an apartment building, we'll just keep going straight. You know what I'm saying? I know this guy's probably tripping out right now.
Yeah. He's like, oh fuck.
Yeah, he's probably tripping out. We probably. Cause there ain't no highway over here. So yeah, let's just. Oh yeah, this guy's going home, bro. Yeah, this guy's going home, bro. Yeah, his ass is going home.
Yeah. in Ty's car, bro.
You like it?
Bro, that thing scoots. Holy shit. Yo, you need to run your boy. Bro, no way.
Huh?
That's a cop.
I know.
So we just got home. Hope you guys all enjoyed that. This hands down is the fastest car I've been in. This thing books, man. This thing absolutely books. But yeah, I'm about to go to bed. I got a flight to catch in the morning, so I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I will catch you guys all in the next one. Deuces.